Hi friends, it's Liz here. Thank you for joining me today. I will be sharing an unboxing for your creative studio, and I'm also going to show you a quick and easy fun project to make with some of the items. So I'm also going to link the shop details below, as well as other playlists, or not playlists, other videos that I have with unboxing of other subscriptions that have come in from Amanda. So thank you so much, Amanda. Your boxes are fabulous, and I absolutely love the theme of bees with this one. I really even like the packaging, even her paper that she has for wrapping the pieces. Okay, so here are some stickers, and they look like those very nice washi style stickers. So I can't wait to use those. She also has exclusive stickers in her shop, so these ones would be particularly for her shop only that she has created. It looks like paper here as well. So she's got some papers in this kit. If you haven't seen her boxes before, each box is a little surprise of stationery goodness. Of course, they can be used in anything, and I've made several different projects making, the various boxes that I have received. So these look like collaged pieces, which are really nice because look at that bird. Because I'm really into collages right now, and that's sort of something that I might be showing you for sure at the end with what I did with some of the pieces as well. This is, I guess, like a paper pad, but it looks like vintage tickets. And it also looks like it's got a perforation at the bottom here, so you can kind of take out the bottom portion and use it somewhere else. You can see there. And then you've got this really nice vintage looking ticket as well. And then this here is an empty little bag. I guess something was in it. So here we have, it looks like vintage advertisements. I guess that's what they look like, vintage advertisements. And I believe that these are stickers. And I love that they are like washi stickers, so they feel almost like a vellum, but definitely stickers here. So I'll be showing you how I'm using some of these as well. And as always, questions, comments, please leave them below. I know Amanda's boxes sell out very quick. I think, they sell out a few months ahead. Oh, this is beautiful. I love that. And then there's always some sort of washi, stickers, and stamps, as well as paper products that she includes in them. And like I say, every time I open one of the boxes, it's like little Christmas in a box. That's how I feel about it. So this is the thin washi, which is just really nice and dainty. And you can see the design there. And this looks like it's, I guess what was supposed to go in that little bag, maybe like a charm. And then these are little sticker sets that look like postage stamps. I think they're just fabulous looking as well. I really like these. Now these are so fun to use, and it's nice just to have a set of them, with different botanicals. Those are the ones that, are always difficult to find when it comes to any kind of postage stamp. So it's nice to have those. And I really like how this was packaged. Love the little bag, and using the oh, this is so this is a Your Creative Studio design stamp. See at the bottom it says Your Creative Studio, but it doesn't look like it comes out when you stamp it. So that's beautiful. That's nice to have that. That will be a nice addition. And I definitely show you just how clear that stamps out. And then this is again with the same theme, but it's sticker paper from what I can feel. Oh, this is going to be so nice to use as well. And you just see that there's 4 different sheets included in the 5 different sheets, I should say, in this month's or This was July's box. So in July's box, if you got July's box, this is what you would have received. And then I'm just showing you the part that it's the sticky part. Of course, it's not going to open right now. So I'm going to show you what I've done with some of the pieces. Super fun and easy to do. I was trying to make more snail mail, you know, pen pal things, and I started thinking about something that I would love to have available to me when I'm crafting or journaling or doing something. And this gave me a lot of inspiration. So let's get started and I'll show you what I've done. So I have these, this is what I've made. I've collaged on these labels, and they're like sticky labels, about 2 by 3, I think is the size. I will link it below, just double checking if you need to know. But you could do this with any kind of sticker or label that you have that has like a blank you know, surface. And so what I've done is I wanted to do some collages that I can quickly peel off the entire sticker and then stick it onto something else. And then I was trying to use my tracing paper, and I really like how it came out, especially that you can see both sides, and this will be just nice to add, you know, to a journaling page or planner, etc. So let me show you how I made a few of these, and hopefully you'll get inspired to make some yourself. So what you'll need for this particular project, I have these labels or stickers, labels, they're labels, so like the address labels, and there's 3 on this little sheet here, but of course if you've got your larger sheet of sticker paper, this will work as well. Also, it doesn't have to be on sticky paper, you can do this with anything else, but I wanted to have like these little stickers available so that, you know, when I'm journaling or I'm creating something, if I wanted a little collage but something that's already made, I could just stick it onto my page. It will also be nice like in snail mail, if I'm, you know, kind of adding a note or something, I can just attach this really easily. Or I can cut it up into like different shapes and then have little, you know, collaged shapes as well. So for now I'm using the stamp that looks like the little bee, whatever you call those. It'll come to me. I promise it'll come to me. And so then here I'll be using some leftover bits and pieces of paper that I have, as well as some additional pieces as I was mentioning before. I also ended up using some of this tissue paper that is also for your creative studio. I guess she designed it for her items, and I ended up cutting a couple of little pieces and used them in the ones I showed you before. So here again, I'm just showing you little leftover bits of paper. I'm sure as crafters we all have our little bins, boxes, drawers full of leftover scrap bits from our projects, and I always like to repurpose those and just give them a new life. So here you just see me playing around with the different shapes and the different, you know, designs that I think I might add. I'm just kind of testing out where I might want this faux stamp to go. I have also shown you before different ways that I like to collage or use my scrap bits of paper. So I'll link some of those videos below. I use just a lot of things that I have already at home. I like to reuse and repurpose many things. So I do have like these strips that I did a while back, super easy and fun to do. I'll link that below. And then I also have my little, you know, scrap bits and stuff that that I've added here and there to my little clusters of fabrics and papers and trims, that sort of thing. So I will link those below in case you haven't seen them. So I think this is where I'm going to leave it. I also will be adding some kind of items that are circles, and these are also stickers that I have. They just come plain, and what I've done is I've distressed them and I've stamped on them, and then this way it gives me a different kind of, you know, color to include in something. And sometimes I want something that's a circle if I've added a lot of kind of straight lines. So anyways, I have these sort of on the side for whenever I feel like it needs a different shape when I'm working with a collage. And then here I'm just going to be adding one of the stamps to the bottom. And as you see here, I'm working in those little rectangles, so I'm trying to keep within my little sticker or label. I keep calling it sticker, but it is like a large label that is a sticker. So, and I think I found these at a dollar store a while back. So I just kind of like to figure out, you know, different ways on using those. I also wanted to say thank you so much to all of you that have been supporting me in my shop with my new digitals. Thank you so much for the wonderful feedback. I'm really happy that you're enjoying using my new digitals, and I'll definitely keep trying to show you different ways and different ideas on what I'm creating with them. So if you haven't seen them, some of the projects that I have shown already are, I will link below, but it's you know, it's quite a few that I've worked on. And then I'm also coming up with some really exciting ones right now. I just have to edit and do those voiceovers, and then I'll be able to share them with all of you. So thank you so much. I'm feeling so you know, inspired as well, just thinking about the different things that I can share with all of you. And I'm so happy that, you know, with a digital, you can buy it anywhere in the world, and you'll be able to use you know, some of the things that I enjoy creating with as well. So thank you. So here I'm just showing you these hole reinforcers. I also like to, you know, kind of add distress inks to them in different colors. And this way you have just a little kind of ready-made sticker, if you will, to add to a project. I've seen a lot of crafters do something similar, and I think it's just such a great idea to kind of use things for a different purpose if you want to. Here is one of the little bits of tissue paper that came from the Your Creative Studio box. I just kind of tore a little piece. This one is too big for what I'm using right now, but I am really liking these little stickers with the vintage ads. So I'll try and combine one of them here again with some leftover paper bits, and then just whatever else I can find that's near me. I think this piece was left over from a magazine. I think it's one of the Daphne's Diary ones that I was using. So, you know, the little bits that have some sort of design or a color that I like to keep those. And then, of course, adding the little stickers, and then maybe I'll do a little bit of stamping. So as you can see with the products that are in the box, you can do so many things with them. I have done so much stuff with the various, you know, boxes that I've received, but I really just enjoy now. I guess I've been enjoying creating things that I can send in the mail, things that are flat as much as possible, so I can add a lot to my envelopes. And I don't know, I think this one is just a really fun and easy one to make. I personally find paper crafting very relaxing. And so for me, this is, you know, moments that I take to enjoy the process, not think about it too much, but also, you know, just kind of have an idea of what I'm starting to work with. I hope you like these kinds of videos. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And of course, you can always find me on social media, my Facebook, my Instagram. I'm still trying to figure out my website. Oh my goodness, I'm having such a hard time with that. So if you have your own website or your own, I guess, blog, leave a comment below and let me know what you use. I was trying to use WordPress, but I found it not very user-friendly. I have to say that already. So I decided not to go with that. And then I'm checking out some other, you know, areas that I might be able to do this, because I'm still kind of trying to get out of, you know, having YouTube and Facebook and Instagram be the ones that control what I share, when I share it, and how I share it. So anyways, just leave a comment below. Here I'm just showing you what I've done again, the finished pieces, and these will be so fun to add to you know, to snail mail or to put in one of my projects. So I hope you enjoy the share. Thank you so much for joining me. I have a giveaway coming up, so stay tuned for that, and I will see you next time. Thanks so much for stopping by.